く、く。書き方です。書き順。1、2。もう一度。1、2。1、2。One way to remember ku is that it looks a little bit like the number 7. And think of it as a cool way to write the number 7. A cool way to write number 7 is to make it slant. Notice that when you write ku, this is slightly curved, and this is curved in the same kind of a slant. Make sure you don't lift up your pencil on this corner. Also, never take the shortcut and go up, across, and down. That's not okay. Hiragana and katakana strokes almost always go down and down. So it's two separate strokes. Down, down. Also, this part does not need to stick up very high. It's perfectly acceptable to write ku with this not really sticking up. Ku. A cool way to write the number 7. Ke. Ke. 書き順です。書き方。1、2、3。1、2、3. Now, this is a little bit similar to ku, which you just learned. But ke, this part does stick up much higher than this line. So, each, and then halfway between the top and the bottom, find the midway point, go across, make it wide. Then halfway between this starting point and this ending point, find the middle and go down. Okay, so curve down, find halfway down, go across, then find halfway across and go down. I didn't do that perfectly straight. Curve, halfway down, go straight across, halfway across, curve down. This is ke, ke. One way to remember ke is like kangaroo. Do you see the kangaroo? Head, arms, front feet, tail, body, and big back legs. Ke for kangaroo. Another way to remember ke is that this looks a little, if you tilt your screen, if you tilt your head over to the right, this looks a little bit like the capital letter K, like in the ABCs, the letter capital K. Tilt your head to the right. Alright, so when you see that shape, I want you to either think of a kangaroo with its big hind legs and tail, or the letter K. Ke. Ke. はい、そしてこれはこ。こ。こ。書き方です。書き順。1、2. Katakana strokes, if you have straight across, should always go from left to right, never the other way. And strokes that go across and down are always written together, never separately. So this is one stroke. Each, and then never go backwards. You always have to start on the left and go to the right, and it meets on the corner. Ko. Each. Ni. You should never write ko with one connected stroke this way. Never do that. That's the wrong way. And if you do it that way, you'll end up writing it with a bad shape. Ko. Always go from left to right and meet it at the corner. The way to remember ko is like a cup of cocoa. So can you see that this looks like a mug? Okay, so imagine that this side of the mug is here, and we can put a little handle on it, and it's a steaming mug of cocoa. So when you see that shape, I want you to think of cocoa. こ、こ。And let's go back and review. はい、このカタカナです。ヒントは何ですか？英語で言ってください。はい、次。このカタカナです。何ですか？ヒントを英語でお願いします。はい、最後に、このカタカナです。何ですか？ヒントを英語で言ってください。